Let's face it, finding move-in ready homes right now is a little tough in the greater Boston area, but I've got a great condo for you in Graniteville Woods. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage with EV chargers, 3 floors of living space. There's so much to see. I'm Steph Saunders with Foundation Brokerage Group. I can't wait to show you around. Come on inside. We're here in Westford, Massachusetts in this beautiful condo. It's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, beautiful gas fireplace, 9-foot ceilings, and an incredible neighborhood environment. Here in the kitchen, there's a huge pantry, and because it's such an open concept, you're able to interact with the family, whether they're over at the dining table, playing outside, hanging out in the living room. Everybody's a part of the action. So you have this beautiful breakfast bar with the granite. Of course, you have oversized cabinetry, a brand new Miele dishwasher, and this gas stove is very high powered. They even installed a high powered hood that's vented outside so you can really get your cook on. Of course, no kitchen is complete without an oversized fridge. Everything's move-in ready. 3 bedrooms upstairs, as well as an oversized full bathroom with a double vanity and a soaking tub. You also have your washer and dryer up here, so you'll be able to take care of everything. The second floor has its own heating and cooling zone as well, and of course, ample closet space. For even more details on this beautiful condo, you can visit my website at sellyourhousewithsteph.com. You can even schedule a private showing, and if you're around on Saturday, join us for an open house from 11 to 12:30. I'm Steph Saunders with Foundation Brokerage Group, and I'll see you next time.